everybody? I'm here today to show you and tell you how to turn off the hourly chime on a Timex Expedition digital watch. This will be the easiest tutorial for how to do this, so let's get right into the video. Now, essentially, it's really easy to do this, and obviously, the hourly chime is good, and some people like it, but a lot of people don't like it. And Timex is sort of known for their hourly chime on their watches. It's just sort of something that sort of represents a Timex watch to my memory and to my knowledge. But you know, and I liked it as a kid, but as an adult, I don't necessarily need to know every hour. So to turn it off is really easy to do. Essentially, we're on the main screen here with the date and the time over here. So you can see we have the date up here and the time. This date is not accurate. It's I just reset the watch and I just put a random date in here. And the time is not accurate either. Okay, but essentially, when you're on your main screen, what you want to do is press and hold down the set button. Okay, and it's going to allow you to set the date and the time as well as some other features, which is the hourly chime. So now I'm going to push the next corresponding button. So it says next here. I'm going to push this button. Okay, we're going to go past setting the time over here. I'm going to continue pressing it, go past setting the date over here. Then over here we can set the year. You can see it says 2016. It's not 2016, obviously. I'm going to press this again. The time format, like 12-hour clock or 24-hour clock, I'm going to press next again. The date format, I'm going to press next again, and boom, here's your option. Chime on. It's set to on. I'm going to press either the plus or minus. It doesn't matter, but we're going to press one of them and it'll switch it to off. Okay, you can press the minus. It's the same thing. It just toggles between on and off, on and off, on and off. Either one does the same thing. Okay, so essentially it's on right now. If you want to turn it off, you press it again, the plus or the minus, and now the chime is off. And at this point, it's set to off. You can press done to finish, or you can press next. Next will bring you to the next thing, which is the beep. If you want to turn off the beep whenever you press the buttons, you can turn it off here as well. Okay, I can once again toggle this on or off, on or off. I'm going to leave the beep as off. When you're done with your options, you're going to press done. Here's the done button. It corresponds with this one right here. Press done, and we're back at our home screen right here. And that's it. That is how to turn off the hourly chime on a Timex Expedition digital watch just like this. The easiest tutorial that you're going to find right here. Short, sweet, straight to the point, and that's truly it. If you like this video tutorial / explanation / demonstration, if you like this overall video, please be sure to give it a nice big healthy thumbs up, a double thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. I'd love to read your comments on this tutorial. I'm going to try that outro again because I'm going off on a tangent here. We're going to try this again. Simple tutorial on how to turn off the hourly chime on the watch. You know, a lot of people like it. I liked it as a kid. As an adult now with my new watch that I'm going to start wearing right now, I don't like the hourly chime, so I'm going to turn it off. For myself, it distracts me, so I'm going to turn it off. And I'm showing you exactly how to do that easily. The easiest tutorial they're going to find on this topic. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.